Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is having a little bit of a tougher day today. It's not that bad. We closed down 65 cents. We closed at 25.92. So that's down 2.45%. Post-market, we are down an additional 2 cents. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a red candle and we made a higher high a little bit and we opened right here, pretty much where we closed yesterday. But then we pretty much went down and then recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. So we closed below 56. So 56 was a support that we crossed yesterday, but now we are back down underneath it. So that's, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit disappointing. It's not the end of the world. So we are still above 25 and we are still part of this upward channel. We broke this second slope when we started to go faster and go up higher than the bullish channel that we were in. This is now gone. This is now gone, but we are still pretty high in terms within the channel here. We are still on the upper part of the channel. So sometimes we can draw a middle support within the channel. I like to do them in gray. So we are still above on the upper part of the channel. So it's not all bad. It's not all bad. And we need pullbacks. And with Palantir, we have pullbacks all the time. Look at this here. Nice green day, then super red. Green day, red. So Palantir is full of these red days. Look at those red candles. They are ugly and they are everywhere. So this is Palantir. This is Palantir. Each stock has its own personality. One advantage of trading and investing in the same stock is that you start to get the stock a little bit. You start to understand the people that have this stock, what they tend to do, if they tend to take profits all the time, like some people at Palantir do. So, you know, it's not unusual to see those red candles. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. We opened right here. So yeah, so we opened above back into this great big bullish channel that we saw yesterday. So we broke above that. So the stock was supposed to just continue on there, but no, fell right down. And for 1, 2, 3, 4 straight hours, it just fell down. Then went below 25.63. It went below 25.63 and it stopped on its way there around October 29. It stopped below there a little bit further back and then bounced back up for the last 3 hours. What gives? What gives? I have to say that this little bounce here to me is not really convincing. Look at Stochastic. Stochastic is at 35. And as I've been telling you, a move up of a stock needs to coincide with a move up in Stochastic. And this does not have it that much. I'm not sure I want to trust this bounce a whole lot. I might be wrong. I've been wrong in the past, but I feel like maybe this will need to stabilize a little bit before it comes back up. So I would not be surprised if we retest 25.63 or at the very least, we go sideways a little bit. Don't quote me on this. This is just a hunch. Okay, so let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at Stochastic at 77.45. Still pretty good, but this is still strong. Any Stochastic above 60, as I mentioned, means that we can recover. So look at this here. 60 Stochastic, 61 Stochastic, 60, 64. And the stock was going up and down and we were wondering, is it going to go back down? Looking at the Stochastic here and it maintains support. So this is the same rule that we should use here. So we have support at 25, we have support right here, and we have a stochastic that's still quite high. Maybe it's going a little bit sideways. At the worst case, it can go down to 25. RSI is taking a little bit of the drop, but we are still on the same slope of relative strength gain. So this is good. This is good. This here was going a little bit faster. So now it's coming back to this support right here. So this is all good. MACD is still good and DMI is still good. So let's just consider this as a pullback and let's see how we are able to maintain ourselves. So again, this 1 hour chart with the low stochastic is the part that is bugging me a little bit. But aside from that, from a daily perspective, we are still in a good position. So with the support at 25 and also with this support right here. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. Some of you guys did this, so thank you very much. And 2 of you got the paid subscription, so thank you very much. I'm getting some coins, some TradingView coins that I'm gonna spend like crazy. So I'm gonna wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine.